The contract is formally branded as PNG Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast Multilateral and Air Traffic Management Systems, simplified as the PAMAS contract. Its tender and procurement process, which commenced in November 2012, took 16 months to select COMSOFT as the viable service provider. The contract is valued at just over $12.8 million US. That's about 33 million kina, and the cost will be met using funds committed jointly by the governments of PNG and Australia. PNG ASL Managing Director Captain Ted Paki briefly outlined the benefits from the contract.
I firmly believe that the tender and procurement process, which commenced in November 2011 and which has taken nearly 16 months to complete, has enabled us to select the right contractor with the right product that meets our needs and that will allow PNG Air Services to deliver enhanced services into the future.
COMSOFT CEO Manfred Schmidt thanked PNG ASL and relevant parties for awarding his company with the contract. He said proper technical aviation services are crucial in PNG, especially at this time of experiencing major infrastructural developments and an economic boom.
PNG's actively expanding economy called for state-of-the-art AGM in order to cope with the increasing demands of air services and meet industry advancements. The essential modernization will bring PNG ASL fully in line with the latest ICAO recommendations, standards and practices, and the fully automated and scalable AGM automation solution, that's a Prisma solution from COMSOFT, will allow smooth aeronautical services across the entire airspace of PNG, as well as integration with the important neighboring countries' airspace.
Secretary for Transport Roy Mumu said countless challenges such as obsolete facilities and assets inherited from the former Civil Aviation Authority and logistical issues still impede the service delivery of PNG ASL, but he gave credit to its modernization program to upgrade its communications, navigation, surveillance and air traffic management services to keep abreast with the global trend. Australian High Commission Minister Councillor James Hall said this project is an important milestone in Australian government support for productivity and safety enhancing infrastructure in PNG's aviation sector. And with the conclusion of the formalities, the official signing took place. The PAMAS contract will see complete air traffic management automation, including 3D tower control simulators, implementation of COMSOFT's complete ATM system in Port Moresby to enable its status as an international ATM hub. Also, it will enable domestic airports of Madang, Mount Hagen, Goroka, Nadzap and Tokwa overall coverage and surveillance within PNG's vast flight information region, and the delivery of multilateration, it's a widely used navigation and surveillance technique, to the nation's capital main terminal area.